Right now, your bank, your WhatsApp.
I'm Alex Carter, and today we reveal the most dangerous secret weapon Russia and China are already deploying today, and almost nobody is watching.
The Baltic Sea.
Russia's main directorate for deep-sea research operates nuclear submarines that submarines.
The method is brutally simple and brilliantly deniable. A dragging anchor.
December 31st, 2055, 4:53 a.m.
44 cable damages, publicly reported, 2024 and 2025 alone. Here's what they don't want you to understand. These aren't random cuts. Each one is a test. Russia and China are mapping exactly what breaks the internet head and how fast we notice.
Chinese vessel. Russia's survey ships carry proton magnetometers Z. They can find every cable on the seabed.
NATO's Response Operation Baltic Sentry.
Russia's Belgorod, 184 meters long, nuclear-powered, carries deep-sea drones that operate autonomously. Swift and London Stock Exchange, every second deemed. $9 trillion.
Jamestown Foundation confirmed at NATO. Russia and China are coordinating, sharing intelligence, dividing targets.
Average cable repair time, Ploin, 40 days. And that assumes the repair ship can even get there.
The choke points: Strait of Hormuz, South China Sea, Luzon Strait.
We are going to show you exactly how Russia and China plan to do this. The weapons they're using, the cables they're targeting.
Meet the Harpsichord 2R, Russia's autonomous underwater drone. No crew.
GUGI, Russia's General Staff Main Directorate for Deep Sea Research. Intelligence ships.
The Shadow Fleet, 600 vessels.
How do they find cables in the dark? Acoustic mapping, same technology as oil exploration. Russia has...
January 3rd, 2025. Chinese freighter Shunxing 39.
Matsu has no backup. Now imagine this happening to Taiwan itself, 23 million people, during a military conflict.
NATO's countermove. Attack submarines trailing Russian GUGI vessels.
Recorded Future intelligence firm documented it. 44 damages, 32 clusters.
This is what terrifies Western intelligence. Not one cable, 10 simultaneously tag at choke points, the Luzon.
Lithuania lost 20% of its internet cable cut.
60 cable repair ships for 400 cables spanning 1.3 million kilometers. The English Channel, the single most critical choke point on Earth. More cables pass through here than anywhere else.
$9 trillion every single day. SWIFT, NYSE, London Stock Exchange, all of it running through cables. Guam.
The Yantar, Russia's most notorious intelligence vessel, tracked by NATO near critical at cables repeat. Cable junction boxes, where multiple cables connect underwater. One precision cut at a junction eliminates 5 cables.
But here's what the intelligence reports won't say directly. The cables being cut right now attack. These aren't the final attack. These
Weapons intelligence is worst case scenario. Warn the base and simultaneous silence and sabotage choke points globally.
This cable, 69 millimeters in shallow water. In the deep ocean, loss, just 17 millimeters.
West Africa, Central Africa, Pacific Islands, almost zero cable redundancy. The pattern is undeniable. 2022 pre, Nord Stream destroyed. Western intelligence agencies have identified pre-positioned Russian assets near 47 critical undersea infrastructure points globally.
Taiwan invasion scenario. Step 1, cut all 14 undersea cables connecting Taiwan to the world. U.S. Indo-PACOM, Indo-Pacific Command. Its entire coordination network runs through undersea
5 choke points. English Channel, Bab el-Mandeb, Strait of Malacca, Luzon Strait, Taiwan Strait, simultaneous sabotage of the...
NATO's command internet infrastructure complete.
Hospital, electronic health records, drug dosing systems, surgical equipment, emergency dispatch.
This is not a future threat. This is happening right now. As you watch this video read, Russian GUGI submarines are in the Atlantic.
The response is finally taking shape.
But here's the absurdity. The solution, DAP? Redundancy. More cables, more routes, more repair ships.
Here's what keeps NATO intelligence analysts awake at night. Every cable cut so far has been deniable.
Jamestown Foundation confirmed. Russia and China are now coordinating their cable operations.
The Pentagon's war game, please. Operation Cable Storm. Classified.
But sources confirm journalists scenario.
Starlink backup plan. Musk's constellation provides 100 terabits globally. Undersea cables. Baltic Sentry, NATO's resurgence sequence. Patrol aircraft.
The hybrid warfare escalation ladder. Cable cut, phase 1. Power cable, phase 2. Simultaneous multi-cable attack, phase 3.
International law problems. Was it?
China finally admitted it. 10 months after the Baltic cuts, Beijing acknowledged Yi Peng 3 was responsible.
The digital Pearl Harbor. 15 cables, 15 locations, cut simultaneously. Doesn't just disrupt the internet. Civilization's lifeline, 17 millimeters in the deep ocean. The protection between the modern world functioning and global economic collapse is a strand of glass thinner than a pencil.
Does your government have a plan? The UK does. Germany does. But the answer every analyst gives privately.
Here is the fundamental truth nobody in power wants to say out loud. Russia and China are already at war with the West.
The solution being developed, fiber sensing. The cable itself becomes the sensor. Any NATO's evolution thing. Joint Force Command Norfolk now has dedicated undersea infrastructure.
3 solutions required. Redundancy, more cables, more routes. Detection, fiber sensing.
American University Law Review published the fix in 2025. Extend right of visit to vessels suspected of cable sabotage.
Here's what you need to understand about your personal vulnerability, your bank, your pension, your business, your medical records.
Day 3 of a coordinated cable attack on your country. No internet.
Multiple Western intelligence agencies' classified assessments leaked to journalists identified 2026 to 2027 highest risk window.
But here is also the truth. The West is responding.
The race against time. Russia and China have a 3 to 5 year window before Western redundancy and monitoring makes
Everything you do online, every transaction, every message, every medical record.
Subscribe to Assembly Secrets. This is the war that could end the modern world droid, and almost nobody is watching it.
We are, and we are.